Yo, I'm here with Apple, one of the legend herself, and I'm about that. We need to design. It's a little bit painful than the machine, I would say. But yeah, I'll show you the result later. Damn, it's raining. Yo, we are about to arrive, man. Wait, wait. Yo, I'm here at the Apple one of the village, and see the daughter owns a tool over there. We're about to meet her in person soon. Let's go. Yo, I'm here with she. She's my tour guide for the day, and we are in Buscalan,
Buscalan.
Buscalan, and we are going to meet Apple living legend. Yeah, see what? Let's go. Yo, I got my tattoo done, and yeah, the line is getting longer. People are coming, so I was the first one today. I would say it's this afternoon. So, yeah, that was quick. Yeah, the legend herself. Take a look. Let's go. Let's go, boy. I'm here at the Buscalan village, right there, and over there is the rice field terrace. And I heard people say that back back then, back in the day, there were Filipinos. They went to Vietnam to teach people how to grow rice. Obviously, the mountain like that, like the terrace. I'm not so sure if this is right or wrong, but yeah, I might have to double check on that. Um, but yeah, if that really happened, have to give a big thanks to the Filipinos, because even though now the table has turned, like, I think that they even have to import rice from Vietnam. But yeah, at least they teach us the technique to grow rice like that. Unfortunately, today I wanted to go see the sunset right now, but really cloudy. That's why, as you can see, like, lots of clouds. But yeah, let's take a look. Okay, let's head back to the village. There's a playground, the basketball. Yeah. Lots of kids that play. That's a fun game. Oh, yeah. So that's really intense. Evening, sir. Good evening. Hey, watch out. And, I'm gonna stay here for the night at thing. His homestay name is Charlie knows. Yeah, they are preparing dinner. Hey. Look at those kids hanging out on the roof of the building. Having fun though. This is what it look like in the morning. All, yeah, always grounded. Take a look. So I'm here with
Mark,
and
Morico,
Rico, yeah,
we're here in Buscalan Bridge.
for real. And now we are heading back to the big point. Yeah, the Wilson point. And
Take the bus in Manila,
Yeah.
going to Manila again.
yeah, Mark been helping me so much for the last 2 days. Yeah, I mean we had a lot of kids last night. Oh, that was crazy. But yeah, thank you so much, brother. Yeah. Well, I'm back in Vietnam after traveling around Southeast Asia for the past 5 months. But man, once you stay the freedom of being unemployed, so fucking sweet, man. Yeah, for now, thanks for watching and see you in the next, I would say, 2 years, I guess. We'll see.